Hello. Welcome to Health Miracles, where we explore the wonders of wellness through simple, natural choices. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart-healthy world of olive oil cuisine. Join us as we delve into the culinary magic of cooking exclusively with olive oil, uncovering its numerous benefits and discovering how it can transform not just our meals, but our overall well-being. What happens to your body if you only eat foods prepared in olive oil? Embracing olive oil as part of a balanced diet presents myriad potential advantages for the majority of individuals, yet it's crucial to emphasize the importance of moderation. Olive oil has garnered widespread acclaim in kitchens globally, celebrated for its delectable taste and purported health advantages. However, is relying solely on olive oil for cooking truly the pathway to superior health? Let's probe into the scientific underpinnings of olive oil consumption and investigate its enduring impacts on the human body. What are the benefits of eating foods prepared in olive oil? Experts have underscored the positive attributes of olive oil, emphasizing its abundance of monounsaturated fats, often referred to as good fats, which play a pivotal role in promoting health and well-being. Reducing LDL cholesterol. Monounsaturated fats, found abundantly in olive oil, have been shown to effectively lower LDL, commonly known as bad cholesterol levels. This reduction in LDL cholesterol contributes to mitigating the risk of heart disease, which stands as one of the primary causes of mortality on a global scale. A rich source of antioxidants. Olive oil is renowned for its abundant supply of antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols. These powerful compounds act as defenders within the body, combating free radicals that have the potential to induce inflammation and trigger chronic diseases. What are the benefits over a long time? Experts suggest that studies indicate incorporating olive oil into your diet can lead to substantial long-term advantages. Fortifying against chronic diseases. Studies suggest a promising correlation between regular olive oil consumption and a reduced likelihood of developing chronic ailments like heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Regulation of blood sugar levels. The presence of monounsaturated fats in olive oil has been suggested to enhance insulin sensitivity and aid in the management of blood sugar levels. This effect potentially lowers the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Youthful appeal, fighting aging. The antioxidants found in olive oil have been suggested to harbor anti-aging properties, potentially providing a shield against cognitive decline and promoting overall brain health. Are there any negative effects? While olive oil is celebrated as a healthy option, experts caution against excessive consumption or overindulgence to maintain balanced dietary habits. Awareness of caloric intake. Similar to other fats, olive oil contains a significant amount of calories. Therefore, it's essential to practice moderation to prevent weight gain and maintain a balanced diet. Stomach upset or uncomfortable digestion. In some cases, consuming excessive amounts of olive oil might result in digestive discomfort such as bloating or diarrhea for certain individuals. Understanding smoke points for cooking oils. Olive oil is known for its higher smoke point compared to numerous other cooking oils. Nevertheless, prolonged exposure to very high temperatures can still lead to its degradation, potentially forming harmful compounds. The bottom line. Incorporating olive oil into your cooking routine not only enhances the flavor of your meals but also provides a myriad of health benefits. From reducing the risk of chronic diseases to promoting overall well-being, the virtues of olive oil are truly remarkable. Remember, making small, mindful choices in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your health over time. So, why not start by embracing the goodness of olive oil today? Thank you for joining us on this journey through the health benefits of cooking with olive oil. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on leading a healthy and vibrant life. Until next time, stay well and keep exploring the wonders of wellness with Health Miracles.